Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a paint session for you. We're going to get right to that. And this is called Passion Shad. Now I used to call this Winter Shad on my website. So if you're looking at www.greencountrybaits.com, let's get right to it. Passion Shad. Okay, so we're going to start Passion Shad. I've already, just to skip a little bit of time here, I've got the lure base coated with white and made sure. Now this one has a lot of really nice raised scales to it. I make sure I shot those from both angles because when we spray this side, we're going to be trying to capture that real scale effect by spraying it from the front to the back, leaving the back of that raised scale pattern. But to start this off, we're just going to put down a little bit of black on the tail. These jointed baits are always a little bit of a problem. And they are larger, so that makes it even more unique. We're going to go ahead and put a little black, just lightly. So we're going to come back over that with some gold. Okay, so we've got the black on. Now we're going to scale in some purple, if I can get that to stay where it's supposed to. What we've got here is some candy purple. It's a little thick, so I'm going to add a little more 4011 reducer to get it to spray a little better. Using that triple action handle. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the description below, above to that. Now that purple's not going to stand out just a whole lot on the. We're going to come down from the sides, missing the gill. I'm going. Are you going to be in a good mood?
I'm just maybe moving.
I think you need to chill out. We ain't seen you in forever. Okay, so not sure if you can see that, but how we angle sprayed it, it's leaving the white behind it. We're going to come back at the end and we're going to put some gold scales on this one anyway, so all right, next color is going to be our gold. And we're going to get pretty dark right here behind the eye over this black. And then we're going to hit the bottom of the bait with the gold, spraying along that 45 again. You guys let me know what you think of the Passion Shad. A lot of our fairly clean water situations, I like purple. I've got another one on here that, again, my buddy at Huddleston Swim Baits, and Dennis, has come up with, he called it tequila shad. Just has a purple line down it. We're going to cover this entire bait with Hot Rod Sparkle Gold. Now, this stuff is really thick. Whoa, way too much. That's okay. Got to have 4011 with any of these hot rod colors. We'll stir that up real good, and those just put us a lot of gold fleck. Beautiful looking color. I don't know if you can see that. We're trying to get it to the consistency that we want, and it's not really rich. I do a little test area. Oh yeah, yeah, it's really good. Put that gold in that tail too. This bait will have a lot of shine. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that is very sparkly, being why it's called Passion Shad. So we're going to do a quick heat set. Be right back. We're going to get our metal leaf glue out and a small brush. We showed this on the last one. This time we're going to put down just a little bit of gold. And again, we just paint it on where we want it. And I'm not going to do a lot, just a few areas. This stuff goes a long way, so. A jar of it will last you a while. I'm just brushing it with the scale so that I'm just a lot of times just catching the back edge. That'll be good. We don't need a lot. We've got a lot of gold from that sparklescent. And we'll let that dry and we'll come back just a few minutes and we'll apply it. Okay, we've got our gold sheet. Again, one side silvery. That's the side that goes down. And we're just going to stick that over our bait. And I've got these rubber gloves on. So I'm going to get me a little piece of tissue paper, because it's hard to rub with this rubber gloves on. See, it just kind of brings it off. We'll try to go another area here. And again, it doesn't stick where you didn't put it. Note to self, don't use rubber gloves. On this particular bait, it's kind of hard to see where you've been. There we go. Just a few areas. Tell me what you think. Passion Shad. Now you could go over this whole thing and tip those scales with that gold if you choose. I like the randomness of this, something a little bit different. Passion Shad. Please like, subscribe. Come see me next week. Green Country Baits signing out.